Hello everyone, this is Pakshta Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I'm going to show you some home clothing I made for myself. Of course I don't waste time making simple cotton items of the home clothing. I can buy them in shops. They are not expensive. I made this dressing gown on the basis of the same pattern I used for making garments with dolman sleeves. I just made the pattern longer. The dressing gown is made of chiffon. I also made a nightgown, which I put on underneath the dressing gown. The nightgown was cut on a bias. It's pretty wide. I made each side 7 cm wider when I was making the pattern. I also flared the pattern when it was ready. That means that I added about 20 cm in total for the flare to each side. That makes the nightgown pretty wide. All the seams were edged with the bias binding. The overcast at the bottom is also pretty wide. There are dolman sleeves in the dressing gown. There is a huge bow on the front. It's very long. It almost reaches the bottom when it's untied. Have a close look at it. I wanted to have a close look at the garments. They are very light. I almost don't feel them. As I've already said, the nightgown was cut in a bias, and it's pretty wide. The dressing gown isn't flared, it's straight. I don't recommend making such garments of synthetic chiffon. It's too strong. Such garments should be made of the light natural silk chiffon. I know that such fabrics are pretty expensive, but I'm sure that you'll manage to buy a piece of beautiful fabric at sales. You don't need to be a professional tailor to make such dressing gown. I moved the chest darts in the nightgown and made their opening smaller. Due to this fact, the nightgown isn't too wide. I wanted to have a close look at my outfit. This is the first time I'm showing you some home clothing on my channel. These garments are very comfortable. I decided to make these garments because I travel a lot. There are always those huge terry robes in the hotels. I don't like them. This is why I decided to sew something light and beautiful. The dressing gown and the nightgown together don't require much space in the suitcase. They will allow me being different and beautiful even in my home clothing. I think that I can also wear this dressing gown to a beach or to a swimming pool on top of my swimsuit. What do you think? I believe that such outfit would look amazing. Of course you can wear a beach wrap, but I think that such dressing gowns would look much better. I recommend you wearing such dressing gowns right on top of the swimsuits. I'm planning to go on a vacation soon and be fabulous there. Of course, such outfits were not made for cleaning houses in them. They are made for relaxing, for being beautiful. You can put such outfit on for a date evening at home. Such outfits are made us to feel good, different, and beautiful. I was also happy when I realized that the necklace matches the outfit perfectly. As I've already said, you don't need to be a professional tailor to make such dressing gown. Dolman sleeves, regular center front without any extensions. That's it. One of the customers of my fashion house ordered the same garment when she saw me wearing it. She asked to make it of stronger fabric, so that she can wear it on top of her regular clothes in the summer. I show you the reviews of the garments for you to get some interesting ideas. You can change the designs however you want. This is the first time I'm showing you the home clothing. I really hope that you like the outfit as much as I do. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukšte Irina. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.